The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Windsor Harbor to Northerly Island, open waters from Windsor Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 8:15 p.m. At 6:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wilmette Harbor, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Wilmette Harbor.
Wow, that's not my area.
The following is a flood advisory from the National Weather Service.